Hello everyone. In this video, I am talking about most commonly used data connectivity in Power BI, that is import mode and direct query mode. Let's understand the difference, which where to use and their pros and cons. So let's start the video with new energy. So firstly, we can talk about import mode. The import mode is a direct data load into Power BI and data stored in internal memory in the Power BI. We can use all the features of Power BI like transformation, DAX. So we can load all the data in the Power BI. So Power BI use all the features. So this import mode is very useful for medium and small data set. So second one is direct query mode. So direct query mode is the Power BI does not store the data in the internal memory, so it is query that real-time data source. In the direct query mode, you give always the new data, latest data, but the speed of the performance of Power BI depends upon on your data source speed. Small features or more features like DEX and transformation in the direct query mode, these features are limited. So we can now see the advantages of import mode. The first one is a better performance because the all the data stored in Power BI and internal memory. So the speed and performance of direct query mode dataset is better than import mode. So advantages of import mode. So first one is better performance. The better performance because all the access and all the data set stored in internal memory of Power BI. So you can use all the features and the data set or reports or dashboard gives you better result than direct query mode. You can use full feature in import mode like measure, calculated columns, time intelligence, offline access after import the data in Power BI. So this is advantages of import mode. So let's see the disadvantages of import mode. So first one is we cannot use real-time data because in the direct query mode there is a data store in source, so we can update data or any new updation or refreshing in data, so data automatically update and Power BI will show in dashboard and refresh our data. In the import mode we cannot use so second one, we cannot use large data set or infinite data set like import mode. So this is disadvantages of import mode. So let's talk about advantages of direct query mode. So first one is we can use real-time data, refreshing data, updating data. So second one is we can use hug data of enterprise level data set. So third one is no data duplication in Power BI. The we can use real-time data because there is a reason no data duplication in Power BI. So this is advantages of direct query mode. Let's see the disadvantages of direct query mode. Slower performance because we can use real-time data, so we can load data in Power BI to maybe take a few minutes or hours. So second one is we cannot use updated DAX function or more effective DAX function and modeling function. So direct query mode depends on data source and availability mode. So this is disadvantages of direct query mode. So these two topic, import mode and direct query mode, this is conclusion of this topic. We can use small or medium data set or you can give better performance or faster performance. So we can use import mode, so you can real time data in the source we can access it. or our data is hug and we cannot use in Power BI with slow performance, so we can use direct query mode. So pro tip, you can use dual mode composite modeling for combining the the best of the two worlds. So this is for the day, and today's voice is not better because the festival season is started. The voice of dhols and tashas are including in my voice, so we can use better sound quality, use headphones. So this is for the day. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for watching. So see you tomorrow with a new topic and new energy. So thank you for watching. Thank you.